Welcome to Social Science SCERT Telangana Hyderabad Reading Program Level 1 6th Class English Medium Subject Social Studies Worksheet 1 Name of the chapter Globe, a model of the earth. In this lesson we are see the government worksheet first worksheet in learning outcomes for students. After this, students are going to learn about first one, explain the rotation of the earth, identifies the north and south poles, explain the imaginary lines on the globe, locate the equator, Greenwich line and international date line on the earth, latitudes and longitudes. These are the learning outcomes for students are going to learn in this chapter. Concept. In this already we discussed that globe. The globe. What is globe? We know that globe is a model of the earth. Why globe is the model of the earth? Because we can't see the earth directly. So how the shape of the earth it's represent the globe represents the earth. That is why we are called it's a model of earth. Globe is a model of the earth. It shows what the globe shows the shape of the earth, the land, the water, the continents which are there on the earth, the oceans or water bodies which are there on the earth, and the continents of the world. These all are we can see on the globe. That is the globe. Okay, next one, rotation of the earth. How the earth will rotate? You see, the earth rotates every day from the west to east. Where it rotates, the earth rotates from west direction to east direction. That's why we can see that sun rises on the east side. Why? Because earth is rotating from west to east. They are the 2 points on the opposite ends of the earth. If you draw an imaginary line connecting the two poles passing through the interior of the earth, it will form the axis or a line around which the earth rotates. See in this picture, it is one line is there and north side and south side or upper side or lower side. This line we are calling it is the imaginary line. That line is not there, actually that line is not there on the earth. For our convenience, for our study purpose, we created that it's a imaginary line. Okay, these imaginary lines are drawn on the earth. Okay, that is called it's a axis. That imaginary line we are calling it's a axis. So how earth will rotates? Earth rotates depends on the axis line. Next one, latitudes. Here we can see that latitudes are also the imaginary lines. These are the imaginary lines that draw from west to east. Which direction? These latitudes are drawn from the west to east direction. The latitudes, these imaginary lines, which the latitudes are the imaginary lines. These imaginary lines run from one pole to another. Unlike the latitudes, these lines are of the same length. So at latitudes are the same length. One latitude to another latitude, it follows the same length and width. There are two main longitudes, the Greenwich line, which is also called 0 degree. Greenwich line is also called the 0 degree, and the international date line, which is also called 180 degrees east and west latitude. These are the latitudes and longitudes. Now we see the assignments which are given by the government of Telangana. Why do we draw lines on the globe or a map? So why we are drawing the lines on the map? First question. The answer is because of our convenience, to the through these using these imaginary lines, we can identify the place exactly, the place locations of the place, and also we can identify the time and day and night, how it is changing. So these all are useful because of only these imaginary lines. These imaginary lines are very important for the human beings. Second one, observe the following picture and fill the boxes with the names of shaded hemispheres. First one, the black part, it is called as a northern hemisphere. Top side, it is northern hemisphere. Second one, west side or left side, west side or left side, it is western hemisphere. Third one, observe the third one, the bottom side or the south side, it is southern hemisphere. And last one, east side or last right side, it is called eastern hemisphere. These are the hemispheres. There are four hemispheres: northern hemisphere, western hemisphere, southern hemisphere, and eastern hemisphere. India is located on northern hemisphere and eastern hemispheres. See, choose the correct answers. First one, the earth rotates from. So what is the answer? How the earth rotates? A, east to west, B, west to east, C, north to south, D, south to north. Which one is correct here? B, option B is correct, west to east. Option B, first one. Next, worksheet 2. Worksheet 2 is lesson. Name of the lesson is landforms. What is the name of the concept? Relief features, types of landforms. Learning outcomes for students. Students are going to learn in this lesson. Students are going to learn about the difference between plain, plateau, and hills or mountains. Second one, describe the features of plain. So what are the features of the plain? Third one, give reasons for the formation of a delta, how the delta will form. Fourth one, draw the outline map of Telangana and locate Godavari and Krishna rivers. Map drawing. Telangana map. And concepts. We see the concepts. What is concept here? Relief features. What is the relief features? The physical surface features of the land like mountains, plateaus and plains etc. are called relief features. These are the land relief features. What are the land relief features? Land like mountains, plains, plateaus, and canines, etc. are called as the relief features. Not only these three are the main landforms, but other landforms also there. Okay, these are called as the relief features of land. Types of landforms. So, what are the types of landforms? There are three main kinds of landforms. How many? Three main kinds of landforms. What are they? They are mountains, plains, and plateaus. What are they? Mountains, plains, and plateaus. These three are called main three kinds of landforms on the earth. Mountains. So mountains are very high and they have steep slopes with very little flat land on them. It is called as a mountain. If you see the mountains are very huge, very height, and between the mountains it have very steep slopes, very narrow steep slopes, and with little, very little or flat land on them. So in that landforms between one mountain to another mountain, and between the mountains we can see only a little flat land. Okay, this is a mountain. We know that Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. It is also there in the Himalayas. So example of mountains in India, it is Himalayas, Aravalis. These are the examples of mountains in India. Next one, plateaus. Plateaus are also highlands. Here, mountains are also highlands and plateaus also highlands. But there is a difference between plateau and mountain. So, what is the difference? Plateau, they have more flat land. In mountains, very little flat land. But whereas in plateau, they have a more flat land with some hills in between them. In mountains we can see very high lands. In plateaus we can see a hill regions between the plateaus. The landscape is uneven. The landscape is not even in even shapes. There is up and downs on these plateaus, and some places it is very steep, not steep, but compared to mountains it is not that much of steep, but it is a steep lands also we can find. The Deccan Plateau, the example of this plateau in India is Deccan Plateau, Malwa Plateau, Chota Nagpur Plateau. These are the main plateaus in India. And whereas Deccan Plateau is the highest or the largest plateau in Indian region. Now come to plains. Plains are a level lands. So plain, how the plains, remember these differences: plain, mountains, plateaus, and plains. Mountains and plateaus are very high lands, but whereas plains are a level lands with a gentle slopes. Level land with gentle slope are called the plains. They are formed by deposition of silt by great rivers. How these plains are formed? Because the rivers which are formed, which are brought these silt, soil, through using that these plains are formed. Delta. So what is delta here? See, any river any river before going to join into the seas, into the ocean, it forms a triangular shape. Which shape? A triangular shape. A small streams, using the triangular shape it forms a small streams, that is called as a delta. Why this delta form before joining into the sea only? Because these rivers brought or bring lot of sand and silt in this area. Due to this reason, which form the delta, it usually forms a triangle. Already I know we already told you that it is a triangular shape or a delta shape. It is about the delta. See here, Krishna delta, Godavari delta in the picture. See that. Come to assignments. What are the assignments here? First question: how the plains help agriculture? Explain. So first question: how the plains are helpful to the agriculture? Help the agriculture. Answer. All of you write the answer here. The plains in many areas are important for agriculture. Plains are very important for the agriculture because where the soil were deposited as sediments, they made deep and fertile, and the flatness facilitates mechanization of crop production because they support grasslands which provide good grazing for level stock. Usually these plains are very helpful to the agriculture because for the agriculture water is required. These plains which are deposited by the sediments and sand, the fertile soil is a very fertility of that soil in the plains. It is very useful for the growing the cultivating the crops. It is first one. Second one: what are the different features of a land? So what are the different features of land? Mainly there are three different relief features. They are mountains, plateaus, plains. These three are called as the main features of land, main relief features of land. But apart from these main relief features, other relief features also there on the land, that are volcanoes, valleys, canyons. These are also the other relief features of the land. But mainly three relief features: mountain, plains, plateaus. These three are the very important relief features on land. Point out different landforms on the map of Telangana. Color them as given below. Different types of maps. So what are that? Plains. Plains in a Telangana map, plains you have to add green color. In plateau, yellow color. Mountains, brown color. Okay, these three colors used on the maps, Telangana map. Fourth one: how the delta is formed? How the delta is formed? Already we discussed that. Before going to joining into the sea, a river, whatever a river which is going to join into the ocean or into the sea, before joining into the sea, these rivers form a deltas. Why? Because the rivers brought or bring sediments and waste materials. These using that sediments and waste material, these deltas are formed ne- near the oceans or near the seas. Delta is usually it is called as the triangular shape. Okay, give some examples. Fifth one, last question: give some examples for plains in India. So Examples of plains in India. There are mainly two types of plains in India. What are the two types? First one, northern plains. The northern plains. What are the northern plains? Indo-Gangetic plains are called as a northern plains. It is the first one. Second one, coastal plains. Coastal plains. What are the coastal plains? These coastal plains are subdivided into two types. First one, western coastal plain, and second one, eastern coastal plains. These are the two important plains in India. Section 2. Choose the correct answer. The Telangana Plateau is itself a part of the A. Deccan Plateau, B. Malwa Plateau, C. Chota Nagpur Plateau, D. Tibetan Plateau. Telangana state is located in which plateau? It is Deccan Plateau. The answer is option A, Deccan Plateau. Second one. This river does not flow in Telangana. Which river does not flow in Telangana in given options? A. Godavari, B. Ganga, C. Krishna, D. Tungabhadra. Which river? Godavari river flows in Telangana only. Krishna river flows in Telangana only. Tungabhadra river flows in Telangana. But here option B, Ganga river does not flow in Telangana. It flows in northern India. So option is B, Ganga. Ganga river does not flow in Telangana. Thank you. Other worksheet we will see in another video.